Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Bope Tech TV. If today is your first time being in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime that I upload a new video. And I appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section because it matters to me a lot.
All my viewers and subscribers, good morning to everyone. I have this for all of you. Now, making money online becomes something harder, but it's easier to do. I promised all my subscribers and viewers to give you a legit way to make money online. But we're expecting more videos, but my videos are still low. With your help, this channel can go far. Before we get a website, we need to do research more about it and how it works. Sometimes money is involved, some go into risk. I want to come out and say this to all my viewers and subscribers. I know you can know all that more and much. Please, people to always like this video for them to go viral. The more you like, the more YouTube show it to more audience. Please also share them to your pages and your groups for more people to watch. How do we grow this channel together? And all that I have for you today is earning money online is not just by making you rich, and it's not one day tax. It's something ahead. Maybe you take it for a month or some days before you've been able to receive your money. Those that promise to give you daily and all those things, some of them are risky. They'll just tell you invest this and end this, and if you don't take care, you go invest in any platform and your money will be lost. I'm finding it difficult to come out these days to make videos because I lost almost 1,500 in one website that they said I should invest in every 8 hours, my money will be double. So I was testing the website. For the first one, I invested $5 they pay me, so I thought it's legit. I later on invested that amount, and I was about to make a video. So I even make the video in the 8 hours. I couldn't receive my money. I waited. I don't even have anywhere to contact them. So it means for me making the research, I could not complete the research well and I make the investment because I received the first payment. I thought it's going to be legit, not knowing their scams. So be very, very careful. People hit me up on WhatsApp and said we want to make more investment and earn more. You can earn more by investing in Binance and Trust Wallet. This one is just for you keeping your money by increasing it with an interest. They'll pick the money to work and pay you an interest. Anytime you are in need of your money, you can just go and pick your money out. Than giving it to someone to double the money for you. It's just like San Mami Sunday in Ghana here. That's how some of them fraud. This online business for them start just because Ghanaians were doing this yahoo. They said they are also planning to use such an opportunity to scam other Ghanaians members. You see, you'll be looking for a way to get jobs. Sometimes find website. That's why I'm always bringing a website that will give you free money first before you invest. If you want to invest and earn more, go and invest in Pony International. And you can check in the description. There is a video of this Pony International I'm talking of. Watch it and how you can create your account and how you even recharge and you used to be earning your funds and everyday daily tax you'll be receiving. I don't tell you to upgrade it, but you can use the money to be buying funds. You buy funds in 3 days, you earn the interest plus your money. That's good. This kind of investment are good. You see, this online money making give you passive income. It helps you pay some things. Now petrol prices and all those things are high. It helps you in a way, but it doesn't make you rich. If only you want it to make you rich, there are more other things. We those who even have a channel like this and our audience are not more, sometimes we lose because sometimes you can sell something online, more people will not even purchase on it. But people like Felix Eko who have their blog lines and all those things that have more crowd, when they sell things online, see they make more money. So if someone is out there telling you do affiliate marketing, ask yourself, how are you even going to reach these people? Sometimes they reach almost people on YouTube because that is where they get more crowd and they know the number of subscribers they have. Sometimes your Facebook page, you post it, you see that people watch it and they don't even. But in YouTube, many people take actions in it. That's how it is. Even this my Pony International, you see, even though I have been losing in order, but with your help, I've been able to withdraw 2 times, and it helped me to buy data and all those things to make videos to myself. And now they have increased the reward threshold higher. When you withdraw, you earn more money, and that will even help you to upgrade your account without investing anything. When you reach the minimum withdrawal of that, the minimum withdrawal of 100 Ghana cedis, you can use it to purchase and do many things before you can withdraw it. So now I'm still on the way going. When I arrive, I'll let you know. But please, I'm only giving this out just for you to take note. Don't go and make any silly investment. And if you hit me up, I will tell you more website about this investment, but I will always tell you the risk about them. Those people who hit me up, I told them this video I just uploaded new before making this video coming. Just check it, it is there. That is the video before this one you are watching. So that video, the website is paying you 20 Ghana cedis if you are in Ghana here, and anywhere you are and you want to draw it in USDT is 2.1 USDT for 7 days. That's you perform 5 tasks for 5 days and earn that 20 cedis and withdraw it. So when you draw it, it shows that it's legit. And some of this website, they are very risky. You see it for the first beginning, they will tell you maybe you earn 20 Ghana cedis and you go invest 500 or 200 Ghana cedis or 100 Ghana cedis and run loss. So that way, I'm telling you, like, don't invest yet, but you can create multiple accounts for drawing the 20 Ghana cedis in every 5 days. But if quickly you want to make more money, as you are always asking, you can hit me up. I have other website that pays, but there are risks involved. Anything you do have a risk. That's why I'm always in the free side. I'm always hitting on this. If you want to make money more, you those at the southern part having MTN more money, like MTN offices there, I'm begging you, just carry your Ghana card, go and pick quick credit loan. I'm only giving this to my viewers and subscribers. You can pick an amount of 200 cedis, 2,000, 3,000 to 500, to 5,000. When they give you, make sure you are going to pay. And this is what I'm going to teach you, and you pay. Go to Binance. When you arrive in Binance, if you do not understand this, just hit me in the comment section. I'll let you know. So go and do P2P trading. Buy in Ghana here and sell for others aside, because when you have more money, the more your money is, the more market you get. So when you buy more cryptocurrency and you are selling it out, you see, when your crypto is more, those outside want more of them, so they buy it with high price. For saying maybe you buy an amount of USDT 2,000 in Ghana here, 1 USDT as 7 cedis, 50 pesos, and you are selling out for 10 cedis. You see the profit you are going to earn. Maybe you can trade within few hours, you earn more than your capital. So this is just the more advice I have for you. So please, if anything is still bothering you, you can hit in the comment section. Next video to make money will come out. Don't worry, we are still on the process. We do more search. We don't just come out with anything. So people are still complaining about other websites. You see, I'll just bring it within a day, 2 days. You see that though, that's how they are. But the one I see is still long is Pony International. If you want to invest in Pony right now, invest. But one, make sure you get all your money before December 2022. When the year is going to an end, website like this, sometimes they can easily close or they can easily go down. So when it's getting that, draw all your monies and see you're getting the daily tax. Don't invest yet, and then when the year passes and they are still ongoing, you start to invest in that service. So thank you, and God bless all of you. We'll meet once again, and this is your boy Bopetech TV. Here is the CEO of Bopetech TV, the manager, everything of Bopetech TV. I'm Oli, and I'm having my manager who is Osaraja TV. Don't worry, I don't own this channel, but I'm only the content creator of this channel and the director of this channel. We'll meet once again. Thank you.
If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Bopetech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. ValleyTech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Bopetech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce